In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event to a shared Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a meeting, setting up a reminder, or organizing a group event, Google Calendar makes it easy to manage shared schedules. Let's dive right into the process. To begin with, you need to open Google Calendar. On your computer, head on over to calendar.google.com through your browser, or if you're using your mobile device, simply open the Google Calendar app. It's important to ensure that you're signed in with the correct Google account, particularly the one that has been granted access to the shared calendar you want to add an event to. Once you've logged in, let's locate the shared calendar. Look to the left side of your screen. Here, under the categories labeled My Calendars or Other Calendars, you should see a list of calendars that you have access to. Navigate through this list until you find the shared calendar you're interested in. To ensure that events from this calendar are visible, make sure that the box next to the shared calendar's name is checked. Now that we've selected the shared calendar, the next step is creating the new event. You have a couple of options here. You can click on the plus create button located in the top left corner of the screen, or you can click directly on any date or time slot on the calendar to start the process. In the event window that pops up, you'll fill in several key event details. First, ensure you select the shared calendar's name from the calendar drop-down menu to ensure the event is added to the correct calendar. Now proceed to fill out the event details. Begin with the event title, which can be anything descriptive enough to quickly understand what the event is about. Then, specify the date and time for the event, or, if it's an all-day affair, check the all-day option. For more detailed information, you can include the location or even a Google Meet link if it's an online meeting, and don't forget to add a description or any additional notes that attendees may need. Once all the details are in place, it's time to save the event. Simply click Save. And if you've added guests, you'll have the option to send them email invitations so they can RSVP or just be aware of the event. The event you've just created should now be visible on the shared calendar, accessible to everyone it's shared with. For those of you using the mobile app, the process is quite similar. Open the Google Calendar app, tap the plus sign, and then tap on Event. Make sure you select the shared calendar and fill in all the necessary event details. Once done, tap Save to finalize everything. By following these detailed steps, you'll find organizing and managing events on a shared Google Calendar is a breeze. Happy